In the previous video, we looked at trimming wires, and we're still in the same drawing. We're still in demo02.dwg, but what I've done is I've reinserted that three-phase multiple wire bus because we're going to look at stretching it now rather than trimming it. So we're going to use the stretch wire command to do this. So let's have a look now. We've got our three wires and we want to stretch them and make them a little longer. We go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, edit wires, wire numbers panel, and it's this command here, stretch wire. If I click on the flyout there, you'll see that we've got various options available to us. We've got the stretch wire command, we can bend a wire, we can show wires, or we can check or trace wires. I want stretch wire, so I click on there like so. Now you'll notice in this particular command, we get dynamic input. Select end of wire to stretch or escape to exit. A lot of the commands in AutoCAD Electrical, you use escape to exit, not enter like you do in regular AutoCAD. Just be aware of that one. Always try and use escape to end AutoCAD Electrical commands. So if I select the end of this wire here to stretch it, and then what I want to do is find a new connection to add it to. There's no new connection found there. So you'll see with this three-phase wire bus, I can't actually stretch it. I just need a regular wire because there's no new connection to stretch it to. So let's have a look at what happens if I place a vertical wire here. So I go up to my wire command and click and drag and click. There's my wire there. I'll just press enter or hit escape to finish. Now there is a connection to stretch to. So if I go back to the stretch command now and click here, it automatically finds the wire to stretch to and adds a connector. So you can see that my three-phase wire bus, that horizontal one that I placed, was going off into nothingness, really. There was no wire to connect to. So what AutoCAD Electrical does is it picks up the fact that there's a connecting wire on the other side of the room, so to speak, in this case the red one. So I'm going over here and I can connect each wire just by clicking on the end of it like that. Really, really easy tool to use. And that's the lovely thing about AutoCAD Electrical. A lot of this kind of stuff is automated like this. So as soon as I stretch, it finds that extra wire, the red one in this case, adds a connector, joins the wire. I don't have to do any of that, it just finds it for me. And then I press escape to exit, and my wires have been placed on my drawing nice and neatly.